Welcome to our channel, Smart AI World, where we embark on an exhilarating journey into the boundless realm of artificial intelligence and its remarkable impact on our daily lives. Today, we delve into a subject that has captivated minds and ignited discussions worldwide: the imminent workforce transformation. Join us as we explore which professions stand on the precipice of being reshaped by the incredible power of robotic artificial intelligence. Prepare to discover how we can adapt to this remarkable evolution and confidently embrace the future. So if you've yet to subscribe, do it and catch up with us on this journey to unearth AI and its tremendous impact. Imagine a world where robots and humans collaborate seamlessly in the workplace. But what if these robots begin to take over jobs once exclusively done by humans? It's a question that captures our curiosity and ignites passionate discussions. Today, we embark on an exciting quest to discover the truth about the future of work. In this extraordinary journey, we'll dive into the heart of AI, or artificial intelligence, and its profound impact on the job market. We'll witness the astonishing capabilities of robots, the power of advanced algorithms, and the potential they hold to transform industries as we know them. Throughout our exploration, we'll examine different aspects of this revolution. We'll delve into AI's potential benefits, such as increased productivity, efficiency, and the ability to automate repetitive tasks. On the flip side, we'll confront job displacement concerns and the importance of adapting to this rapidly evolving landscape. So, why is it essential for us to embark on this journey together? Why does the future of work matter to every one of us? Are you afraid that AI may take over your dream job, leaving you jobless and hopeless? Now, let's embark on a detailed exploration of AI and its impact on the future of work. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to machines or computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It encompasses various technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI has the potential to revolutionize the job market. Robots and automation can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and take on mundane and repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. For example, in manufacturing, robots can assemble products with precision and speed, leading to increased productivity. In customer service, chatbots can handle basic inquiries, freeing up human representatives to handle more complex and nuanced customer interactions. However, it's crucial to consider the potential challenges and implications of this technological advancement. The fear of job displacement is valid, as certain occupations that heavily rely on repetitive tasks may become obsolete or significantly reduced, as happened with Tesla and Amazon employees. As a leader in e-commerce and logistics, Amazon has integrated automation extensively in its warehouses. The company has deployed robotic systems to handle order fulfillment, reducing the need for manual labor. While Amazon continues to create job opportunities, implementing automation has led to human workforce adjustments and layoffs. Known for its electric vehicles, Tesla has incorporated advanced automation technologies in its manufacturing processes. The company employs robots and AI-driven systems to streamline production, increasing efficiency and reducing labor requirements. However, this shift has impacted traditional manufacturing jobs and replaced people with automated machines. Yet, it's important to note that while AI may eliminate certain job roles, it also creates new opportunities. As automation takes over routine tasks, it opens doors for developing new industries, professions, and specialized roles that require a combination of technical and human skills. Here are a few job opportunities that will rise with the rise of AI. AI trainers. As artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent, there will be a growing demand for professionals who can train and fine-tune AI algorithms. These experts will be crucial in ensuring AI systems perform accurately and ethically. Data scientists and analysts. With the increasing availability of data, there's a rising demand for individuals who can extract valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. Data scientists and analysts will interpret complex data sets and derive meaningful conclusions. Cybersecurity specialists. As technology advances, so do the risks associated with cybersecurity. Companies will need skilled professionals to protect their systems from cyber threats, develop robust security measures, and respond to potential breaches. Additionally, AI technology relies on human oversight, maintenance, and creativity. Human intelligence is essential for designing, developing, and deploying AI systems. Our human abilities, such as critical thinking, problem solving, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, remain indispensable in the workforce. To navigate the changing landscape, individuals must focus on acquiring and developing skills that complement AI technologies. This includes skills like creativity, critical thinking, complex problem solving, emotional intelligence, and working collaboratively with AI systems. Furthermore, organizations and governments play a crucial role in ensuring a smooth transition. They must prioritize investing in reskilling and upskilling programs to equip workers with the skills needed in the AI-driven future. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, we can thrive in a world where humans and machines coexist. In conclusion, the future of work in the age of AI is a complex and evolving landscape. While robots and automation have the potential to transform industries and reshape job roles, it's our adaptability, creativity, and uniquely human qualities that will continue to be invaluable. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey into AI and the future of work. By understanding the possibilities and challenges, we can embrace the opportunities, shape our careers, and create a future where humans and technology thrive together. Let's navigate the exciting path toward a bright and inclusive future together. Remember to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we bring such amazing videos for you. Till then, take care and let us know in the comments section if your jobs are safe from the rise of AI.